Over time, dishwashers can accumulate dirt and hard water stains, which can affect their cleaning power and efficiency. So, how do you clean a dishwasher? It's actually quite simple and only requires a few household items. You'll need white vinegar, baking soda, and a lemon. First, start by removing any large debris or food particles from the dishwasher's filters and drain. If your dishwasher has a filter, make sure to clean it according to the manufacturer's instructions. Also, don't forget to like our video. Next, fill a dishwasher safe cup with white vinegar and place it on the top rack of the dishwasher. Run the dishwasher on a hot cycle to allow the vinegar to loosen any dirt or grime inside the dishwasher. If you guys want to know about it more, do watch the full video. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching.